What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are gonna go through how to report a stolen or lost credit card from Wells Fargo. So guys, make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So basically guys, many of you and many of us basically had moments when we lost our credit cards, wallet, money or whatsoever. So basically, if you had your credit cards in your wallet and maybe that wallet got stolen or you lost it, these are the steps you need to take. If your wallet is lost or stolen, immediately let them know so they can help you protect your account from authorized and unauthorized transactions. Basically what you need to do is immediately call them, basically find the number for your location and call them and report report that happened. Of course, you can replace your card to replace your damaged, lost or stolen Wells Fargo debit or credit card. Sign into Wells Fargo online to request your new replacement card online. It's quick and easy, and you will receive your new card approximately in 5 to 7 calendar days. If your current card was customized with the Credit Design Studio service, your replacement card will have the same image. If you suspect fraud or unauthorized transaction on your account and need a file to claim, please contact them immediately. For personal credit, debit and ATM cards or check, the phone number for USA is 1-800-869-3557, and for business credit and ATM, 1-800-225-5935. So guys, basically these are the steps you need to take if you lose your Wells Fargo credit card. So guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.